This is Kelly Hill, technology reporter with RCR Wireless News. I'm here at the NATE 2014 show in San Diego, and we're talking with Dialight. And I'm hoping, David, that you can start us off by telling us a little bit about what you folks do in telecom.
Okay, Dialight's been in the obstruction lighting business now for since before 2000, and we were the very first company to put LED lighting up on towers. We have a full product range of side markers, red beacons, and the dual strobes for the cellular market, for the broadcast, industrial, and utility markets.
And can you tell us what you're seeing in terms of towers these days and lighting, especially in regards to the LTE rollouts?
We're seeing a big install of LED technology. One of the reasons for that is with the xenon systems that are currently up the towers at the moment, there's a lot of drop calls with a high rush of voltage up the towers and power that goes up the towers. There's a lot of issues there with the carriers and drop calls. LED has just a DC voltage up the tower and doesn't cause that issue. So the carriers are very keen to implement the LED rollout.
Now, one of the other things that we've talked about is the control methods and the implementation of M2M in lighting. Can we talk about that a little?
Exactly. Dialight's developed a lot with the optical side, but very importantly also with the controls and monitoring side as well. Our new controller that we've got featured there gives the ability there to connect to the NOC centers of the big telecoms, and that allows them to be very intuitive in terms of if there are issues, they actually see what those issues are, what the problem is before they actually send a truck out, so they don't have wasted truck visits on there. So they know straight away, they know what the issue is, and many times they can actually make some of those corrections or changes actually from the NOC itself.
Great. Any other trends or issues that you'd like to address?
On the optical side, I mean, we're very proud of our optics, particularly the very sharp cutoff. One of the big issues for the cell people and tower owners is their neighbours, especially the residential neighbours. A lot complain with lights, either red light or white light, actually coming through their house windows. So we've got very tight optics, so that really eliminates that ground scatter. So that's a big trend that's moved forward, and will continue as people get more sensitive to this. The other big area that we've moved forwards with is also with IR technology as well, infrared for the beacons. Obviously, there's a lot of military flights and also hospital and helicopters, etc., for the emergency services. And with IR LEDs together with visual LEDs, it gives the option there of night goggles to actually be able to see the towers as well very, very clearly.
Because they can't see the
Not
regular...
very clearly with the regular LED, exactly, because of the wavelengths.
Okay, great. Well, thank you, David, so much for your time.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you very much.
Okay.